Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Audi Q3 here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the lane departure warning on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the center of the dash. From here, you're going to press the home button in the top right hand corner. Then go to car. Then from here, once it comes up this menu, you go to driver assist. Then lane departure warning. So this is when you're going over the white lines and you're not meant to. The car will notify you with a sound, and some of them will steer you back into your lane. If you want that on, you make sure this is toggled to the right. And if you want to switch it off, press the button and then press OK.